Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to our store.
Hello, we are looking for a winter jacket.
Is it for you or for your son?
It's for my son.
How old are you, little boy?
I am 8 years old.
What a good boy. We have many new winter jackets for kids this year. This one is our best seller.
What is it made of?
It is made of warm material. It keeps you warm and is water resistant.
Can I try it on? Of course.
Mom, it's very warm.
Do you like it?
Yes, I do, but do you have it in white? I like white.
White is nice, but it gets dirty easily. You like blue too, right?
Yes.
Do you have it in blue?
Yes, we do. I'll get the blue one for you.
Oh, Mom, I like that wool hat. It has Spider-Man on it.
Okay, I'll buy it for you.
Here is the blue jacket. Do you like it?
Yes, I like it.
Thank you. I'll take the blue jacket and the Spider-Man hat. Wonderful. I'll pack them for you.
Hey, it's cold today. Yes, I want to buy a warm sweater. This store has many wool and cotton clothes. Great, let's look together. I like this sweater. It looks soft. Is it wool or cotton? It's cotton. It's light and warm. What size do you wear? I usually wear medium. Try this medium first. Okay, I'll try it on. How does it feel? It feels comfortable, but a little tight. Maybe try a large size. Good idea. This one fits better. Yes, it looks nice on you. What about you? I want a wool sweater. This one is wool. Feels very warm. Do you want small or medium? I think medium is better. Try it on. Okay. Wow, it fits well. Yes, not too loose, not too tight. I'll take this one. Me too. Let's go pay. Sure, we're ready.
Hi, I'm looking for birthday gift.
Sure. How can I help you?
I want gloves and a scarf for my girlfriend.
That's a lovely idea.
It's cold at night.
Yes, these are very popular in winter.
Do you have something cute, maybe with a small design or pattern?
Yes, this scarf has a cute snowflake pattern. It's very popular for birthday.
Ooh, that's nice. She likes cute things.
What color does she like?
She likes beige and soft colors.
This beige scarf is very soft and warm.
Do you like it?
Yes, I do.
What about gloves?
These gloves are warm and light.
They also work with phones.
That's perfect.
Do they have a cute design?
Yes, this pair has small heart patterns.
They look very sweet.
Great, I'll take these.
Can you wrap them as a gift?
Of course. Would you like a gift card too?
Yes, please. Can you write a short message for me?
Yes. What would you like to write?
Stay warm. Merry Christmas. Love you, Bae.
That's very nice.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How can I help you?
I am looking for a sweater, something soft and warm.
Of course. Do you want wool or cotton?
I want something soft. My skin is sensitive.
I understand. This sweater is very soft.
Is it itchy?
No, it is not itchy at all.
That's good. I don't like heavy clothes.
This one is light and easy to wear. It's good for daily use.
Can I try it on? Of course. Oh, it feels very comfortable. It's easy to put on.
Yes, many older customers like it. It's very popular.
What size is this?
This is medium.
It fits me well. Not too tight. I like it. Do you have it in another color?
Yes, we have beige, gray, and light blue.
I like the gray one.
Okay, I'll take this sweater.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Stay warm this winter. Hello, it's very cold today.
Yes, how can I help you?
I'm looking for gloves. I need to use my phone outside.
I see, we have touchscreen gloves.
Do you have different styles?
Yes, we have simple and sporty styles.
What is the difference?
The sporty ones are warmer.
Are they thick?
A little, but not heavy.
Can I try this pair?
Of course.
They feel warm. Do they work with phones?
Yes, you can use all fingers.
Let me try my phone.
Sure.
It works very well.
That's great.
Do you have other colors?
Yes, black, gray, and navy blue.
Do you have a lighter pair?
Yes, this one is lighter and softer. I like this one better. It feels comfortable.
What size is this?
This is medium.
It fits me well. How much is it?
They are $15.
That's reasonable. I'll take this pair.
Thank you very much. You're welcome.
Hello, I'm looking for winter clothes. Sure, how can I help you? I want to buy a jacket, a sweater, and a scarf. Is there a discount if I buy more? Yes, if you buy 3 items, you get a discount. That sounds good. Let's start with the jacket. I want something warm but not heavy. This jacket is light and very warm. Can I try it on? Of course. It fits well. I like it. What about sweaters? I want something simple and comfortable. This sweater is soft and easy to wear. It's made of a cotton blend. Do you have another color? Yes, gray, navy, and beige. I'll take the navy one. Now I need a scarf. This scarf is warm and soft. It matches the jacket well. That looks nice. How much is the discount? You get 20% off. It applies to all 3 items. That's great. I'll take all of them. Perfect. I'll prepare the items for you. Thank you very much. You're welcome.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How can I help you?
I'd like to exchange these winter pants. The size is not right.
No problem. Do you have the receipt?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. What size do you have now?
I have medium.
Is it too tight or too loose?
It's a bit tight.
I see. Would you like to try a large size?
Yes, please. That would be great.
Here's the large size.
The fitting room is over there.
Okay, I'll try them on. Just a moment.
They fit much better.
They are more comfortable.
Do you like this size?
Yes, this size is perfect.
Would you like a different color?
No, the color is fine.
Great. I'll exchange them for you.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Please keep the receipts.
Have a nice day.
Yes, please.
Did you find everything you need?
Yes, that's all.
Okay, your total is $26.
Here you go.
Out of 50?
Yes.
All right, here's your change. Thanks.
Can I get smaller bills?
Sorry, what does smaller bills mean?
It means smaller paper money.
Like what?
Like 10s, 5s, or 1s.
Oh, not one big bill, right? Not a 20 or a 50.
Okay, can I get 2 10s and some 1s?
Of course. How many ones?
5 1s, please.
No problem. Here you go.
Thank you.
And here's your receipt.
Thanks a lot.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Jessica, you're here. I was getting worried.
Oh, so sorry. My meeting ran longer than expected.
You got me worried there. You usually text if you're running late.
Yeah, I apologize for that. My phone died and I didn't have my charger with me.
Ah, that makes sense. Well, I'm just glad you're okay.
Thanks for checking on me.
For a minute, I thought something had happened to you.
I appreciate the concern, Nick. Next time, I'll make sure to charge my phone or at least inform you in advance.
That would be great. Communication is key, especially if plans change.
I promise I'll be more considerate in the future.
No worries. We all have those days. So what's the plan for tonight?
How about we grab some dinner and then catch a movie?
Sounds like a plan.
Hey, are you ready for the party tonight? Almost. I just need to decide what to wear. Same here. It's a big event tonight. Yeah, I heard a lot of people will be there. I really want to look nice. Me too. I don't want to feel underdressed. I get that. I'm thinking of wearing a black dress. Oh, that sounds nice. Black always looks elegant, Lisa. Exactly, and it's easy to match with accessories. True. I want something more bold this time. Oh, what are you thinking? I think I'll wear a red dress. It feels confident. Red will definitely stand out, but it suits you, Emily. Thanks. I just hope it's not too much. Don't worry, confidence makes it work. That helps. Now I'm thinking about accessories. Keep them simple. Silver jewelry would be perfect. Good idea. I have a silver necklace I really like. That sounds great. You'll look stunning, Emily. Thanks, Lisa. What about your makeup? I'll go for a natural look, just light makeup and soft colors. That fits you well. Simple but classy. I hope so. I want to feel comfortable tonight. Same here. Feeling good is important. Absolutely. Let's enjoy the night. Yes, let's have a fantastic time at the party. Hey, have you noticed how faded our window curtains look?
Yeah, they really look old now.
They've definitely seen better days.
What are you thinking?
I think it's time for a change. Maybe we should buy new window curtains.
That sounds like a great idea. It would really freshen up the room.
Exactly. I'm thinking of getting a light pastel color. That would brighten up the living room.
Pastel colors always feel calm. Nice thought.
Maybe something with a little pattern.
I was actually thinking about plain curtains. They give a clean and minimal look.
That makes sense. Simple can look very nice too.
So where should we shop for them? Any place in mind?
There's a home decor store downtown. I heard they have a great selection.
Oh, I know that place. How about going this weekend?
Perfect. That works for me.
Let's make the living room feel new again, just with a small change.
Agreed, Lisa. A small change can make a big difference in the feeling of our home.
Chris, you seem quiet today. Is everything okay at work?
Yeah, Emma, I realized I haven't been very patient lately.
What do you mean? Did something happen?
I get frustrated easily, and sometimes I react too fast.
That's honest of you to notice. Work pressure can affect anyone.
I think I need to change my behavior, not just my skills, but my attitude.
That's an important step, Chris. Attitude really shapes how others see us.
You're right. I don't want to bring negative energy to the team.
Maybe start with small things. Listen more and react less.
That makes sense. I should slow down and think before I speak.
Exactly. Professional behavior is also about self-control.
I'm learning that now. Growth doesn't always feel comfortable.
True, but adjusting your attitude shows maturity.
Thanks, Emma. I'll work on being more calm and respectful.
I'm sure you will. A better attitude always leads to better results.
Hi, excuse me. I'm looking for some flower seeds.
Sure. What kind of flowers do you want to grow?
I want to grow flowers on my balcony, something easy to take care of.
That's a good idea. Do you want flowers that grow upward?
Yes, that sounds nice. I like flowers that can climb a wall.
In that case, morning glory is a good choice. It grows fast and climbs well.
That sounds perfect. Does it need a lot of sunlight?
Yes, it likes sunlight. Place it where it can get sun in the morning.
How about watering? I'm still new to planting.
Water the seeds every day at first, but don't make the soil too wet.
I see. How long does it take to grow?
You'll see small leaves in about 1 week. After that, it grows quickly.
That's exciting. Do I need a pot or a support?
Yes, use a pot with good drainage and add a small frame for the plant to climb.
Great. I'll take these seeds then.
Good choice. Your balcony will look beautiful soon.
Thank you for the advice. I'm really looking forward to planting them.
Oh, thank you for holding the door. That's very kind of you.
You're welcome. After you, Sarah.
Thanks, John. I was carrying too many things.
I noticed that. It's no problem at all.
People don't always do this anymore. I really appreciate it.
I think small actions matter. They make the day a little nicer.
I agree. It made me smile.
Glad to hear that. Have a great day, Sarah.
You too, John. Thanks again.